welcome back to another tutorial. Want this transition in Capcut?
One thing I learned is that when you really screw something up, you can't fix it on your own.
Well, you're in the right play because today I'm going to show you how to do that AE like one frame a transition on Capcut. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the tutorial. Now you can do AE like one frame a transition without having After Effects. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more awesome tutorials. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.